Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I am a current graduate student at Purdue University. And today's insider tip is about fellowship deadlines and why you should actually be starting your fellowship applications before your grad school applications. There's a number of fellowships that you can apply for as a grad student. Some of them are the NSF GRFP, your NDSEG, the GEM Fellowship, Hart's Fellowship, and all of these fellowships I mentioned have deadlines in October and November. Most graduate programs that are admitting for fall of the next year won't have their first set of deadlines until December. So it's really important to take some time right now and to consider what fellowships you want to apply for, mark those dates because not every deadline is the same depending on what discipline you apply for as well, and start working on those applications. There's actually a lot of overlap between the fellowship applications and grad school applications, so the work that you're doing now on your fellowship application will be paying off later on your grad school application, and you can use your fellowship app as a starting place for later applications. Additionally, whenever you are in the spring semester and you're meeting with professors, you're looking at different programs that are interested in accepting you, it's really influential whenever you can say that you've been applying to these external fellowships. It shows that you really care about going to grad school, you really want this to happen, and that there is a chance that you would receive external funding outside of their lab. So I hope that you guys have the greatest time finding those fellowships and starting those applications right now.